Okay, uh, hello guys. This is a demonstration for this complementary task. And I say complementary task because it sort of belongs to the Guide My Country 2.0, right? So if you go to Guide My Country 2.0, there will be a step that it says see the code on other websites. And it explains how you can inspect the HTML code and use some developers tools available for programmers in actual browsers. So all this explanation I'm going to say is for Chrome. So I highly suggest you recommend you do use Chrome for these tasks. Okay. So here we go. So let's go to Google, right? And let's go to the main page. And now what we're going to do is to right click on this one, for example. We're going to change this link temporarily because it's not changing the official Google page, but we're going to make this demonstration to see how useful this is, and you will experience that in the future, next year probably, a lot. So we're going to right click on that link. I'm going to click inspect. Okay, and you will see that this is I think I showed you in class some of the time. You see this section is called developers tool, and it has three parts. One on the top, you will see the HTML source of the page, which is responsible of the structure and the design, what the things are. Yeah. Well, you wouldn't actually create an HTML page so far, so you know what it is. So here's the HTML source is. Now the second part is the CSS file. The CSS is the cascade style sheets. Is where the look and feeling is, and you've been working with this as well in these tasks. So we can actually go to that element. By the way, the third part is the console, and we're not going to work with console right now, but it's kind of like idle for Python, but this is same thing but for JavaScript, which is another language that can be used with HTML pages, but that will be another time. Now coming back to this change we're going to make, we're going to change this element, right? And as you see, I repeat, I right click on it and go inspect, and the element responsible for that is highlighted here, right? As you see, I highlight that, and well, it's sort of the parent of that, so it's the same thing. Yeah. So if I click another one like this one or this one, you see, it contains the whole those two elements. So now let's get back to this, and as you see here, is a triangle, little triangle that is going to the right. It means that it's not deployed, it's not opened up. It contains something in it. So we click on it and we'll see the interior of that element. And it's not other than the text that we want to change. So we're going to double click there. Double click. Hello, it's not working. Okay. And we're going to type, this is a temporary change done by Pablo. Okay. And here we go. Right? It's changed by that. Now we're going to change the look and feeling of that, and we're going to, once we select that element, we pay attention on the middle, and you see all the styles that we can change there. So these ones here, this A visited and A, are referring to all the tags, not only this one, but all the tags that has this A here. This A, which is a link, all of the links will have this, unless I do change some style particularly for this. So let's look at this. If I change the color, if I change the color here, you see, for example, I put it in green. Do you see that all the links, not only these two are changing both together, yeah, at the same time, just because I changed this rule. But if I do here in element style, I click on it and in the color, and I put red, you see, only this one will change, because element style is more priority, is higher priority than this rule. It's the same rule, but this comes first for this particular guy, not for this one though. Yeah? You see? So you can play with these things and you will learn a lot by changing things here. Font size, I'm going to put 30px, and as you see again, it's only changing this one, not this one. Yeah? Because element style is for only this guy, only for this guy. Okay? Now, with this explanation, you can start doing your own stuff. The three challenges that have been proposed. Okay? Okay. Take care.